broke his mouth.
Show the people. Place your head next to the mountain of rice so people know how the scale.
My forearm. That chicken's so good. I just got like a fatty little pork piece that just melted in my mouth. This chicken, we're gonna have to come back here. Jesus Christ. Oh, nice. I'll eat some radish. It's like Muppet meets Farrah Fawcett. The tamago is pretty good. I think today it said like the winds were 23 miles an hour. Tomorrow it might only be 19.
Ooh, this is cool.
Huh?
I said this is cool.
Yes. These are those like invasive horsetail trees.
Yeah. I saw a few native plants.
Yeah, what'd you see?
The tea plant. They look like.
You'll have to show me when
Yeah.
we go back down, or if you see more on the way up.
The black stem is the toe. The ones in trees are super cool.
They like grow on the moss and stuff.
Well, they grow like this out of the ground too, but the ones that actually make the nests are in trees.
Oh,
And they get
that's why they're
huge.
This one's in a tree.
Ooh. Pretty cool. Oh, and that's an octopus tree.
With
The leaves that are like in a circle.
yeah.
It's not native, but it's pretty cool. They have these really cool red flowers that come out.
Bib. Moss grows on the north side of the rock, right?
Yeah, everybody knows that. Oh, I love this area.
Yeah. This is really cool. All the vine type stuff going on.
Mm-hmm. They're poisonous.
Nice. I will die. Beb, let's go to the path less traveled.
Okay. This is like one of my favorite spots. I know. It's like mineral deposits. Magnesium.
Makes me want shave ice.
Iron. Everything makes me want shave ice. I know this is like a normal forest that we've probably already seen, but like in Hawaii, it's just like weird and fun.
Yeah,
Not really like
fire safe because there's not really fires that are gonna happen here. I love these really tight groves. We don't get to experience that too often. We're in the business of making this not happen, you know?
Yeah.
Ooh, a fan palm.
Nice.
A fan palm in a pine forest. Nice. You are the mushroom finder.
Seen somebody using one. So.
What is it?
A passion flower.
That is a lilikoi flower?
I'm not
Something
sure if it's gonna. It's one that makes fruit like that, but
That smells nice.
these are native ferns too.
Those are cute.
They're like a pioneer fern. Goes in the undesirable, driest, highest places. Grows, 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 dies really quick. Makes the soil nice for other things to come in.
That's cool. They're really delicate looking. Talk about a muddy boot brush.
Well, there's gonna be views starting now.
Oh, waterfall!
I was hoping that it would still be going. Nice. Beautiful.
They look like fallopian tubes.
Yeah. Oh, this is another one. This is called a lace fern. Nice. It's a native. Oh, here's the fiddlehead.
Views! Can you see the whole island from up here?
I can't wait till you get to the top. You have a problem?
Yeah.
I think so. It looks like it for sure.
It does look like it. From what I remember.
This hike was an automatic background that popped up on my computer.
I think you did tell me that.
And I was like, huh. I thought I switched the photos to the loop-in close-up. And then I realized it was like,
Just a desktop image that came to the computer.
yeah. Oh, shit.
Is that guava?
Yeah. This, the
Get
strawberry.
that.
Wait, you don't want to try it?
Oh yeah, I do. I just didn't think you were gonna share it.
The seeds are hard.
Probably shouldn't spit them out.
Swallow them.
Oh yeah. So then they'll plant new ones. Hey, you want some?
No, eat it.
That's good though. Oh, it's so fragrant.
Good eye. I'm glad we got to try one at least.
Got perfumey taste.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I feel about it. You know what these ones are? It's popping up here, yo. Plants are doing their thing.
Yep.
That doesn't make sense. Holy moly. Ooh. Damn. It's looking crispy.
What's the name of this trail?
The Kuliouou trail. Because we'd be gooping out here, right?
Goop life.
It looks like a immature pine cone mixed with a prickly pear.
Uh-huh. I'll meet you up there.
I want some sunrise poke. It's a montage of water things and eating things. Oh, they're so hot. Piping hot. Steamy. Yummy. What are they called? Malasadas? Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Oh my god, it's like savory and sweet.
I feel like
Wow.
I like the cream-filled ones, but the original just hits the best.
So when are you gonna get your own donuts?
No, those are mine.
So gooey. So fluffy. I'm glad too. Okay. I don't know what is going on. Jovem.
I think it's more of the peachy color.
Just